Welcome to another episode of Out of Town Chiang Mai, smelling the coffee. My name's Ali and I'm an expat in Chiang Mai, Thailand.
This little fella's gorgeous, isn't he?
So you get it in a pate and a sausage, bananas and papaya. Welcome to this channel. If you've not subscribed before, please do. Today I'm drinking coffee at a newly opened coffee shop here on the Canal Road south of Chiang Mai. Coffee by Mark. It's an artistically designed, put together coffee shop. It's elevated off the road with a little tunnel going underneath that you park your car at the back, and some artistic creations in the garden. Today I've got a couple of missions. One, I need to find some more bird food, so we'll go to a market and pick up something. Secondly, I've run out of sausage. Third, I have an interest to go and see something, an update of something I saw before. Well, this place was where I made my first introduction. That was only 5 weeks ago. I really enjoyed making the videos in between, but on that video I was so scared, I was so nervous.
This little fella's gorgeous, isn't he?
Well, 5-6 weeks ago when I first came here, I was scared stiff. I didn't know what to say to camera, I didn't feel relaxed. Now you can't stop me. I'm really on a roll and I'm interested in telling you everywhere I go what I see, how I feel. So stay with me. If you've not subscribed already, please do, and don't forget to hit that little bell. Well, right now I'm in Chom Thong market area near to Chom Thong temple, and I've been coming into this little shop on the corner of the car park for many years. It's a reliable source of hanjay or vegetarian food, and they've got an interesting little deep freezer. Let me take you into there and I'll show you the delights. So let's go on in. Can't always guarantee the service here. It's sometimes a bit patchy. I sat here for half an hour one day after having ordered a meal, and they'd forgotten all about me. Let's go in and have a look. Might be interesting. I like these. These are really nice. Now you can get two versions of this. So you get it in a pate and a sausage. How like that? Loi sip. Gap. Song loi sip. ทุกหมดเลย everything is 340 baht โอเคเอาครับไม่เป็นไรมีทุงนี่ครับครับ and you want 340 there we go ขอบคุณมากครับ340 ขอบคุณมากครับขอบคุณครับครับอีกครั้งครับเอสเปรสโซ่ร้อนดับเบิลช็อตครับ Here we are again, we're at Ngeggee Coffee and I'm enjoying an espresso. You can never pass through Chom Thong without picking up an espresso shot. Great. I'm going to Hang Dong Market now. I'm going to try and get some bananas. See what we can get today. Cool. Sawadee krab. Look likeกี่บาทครับ
อันนี้ลูกละ20 ค่ะ อันนี้ก็20 อันนี้10 บาท
ครับผม
นี่
1 2 3 4เท่าไหร่ครับ
เอาคิดเอา40พอเอาลูกละ10 บาท
โอเคดีจังเลย
นี่
ซามพอดีครับ
10 บาท
10โอเคอันนี้ครับใส่ถุงนี้ครับครับ
เดี๋ยวใส่ถุงให้เนาะ
ไม่เป็นไรครับ
อ๋อไม่เป็นไรใส่นี่
ใส่ถุงนี้
เลยนะคะ
ครับ
โอ้ไปซื้อมะละกอที่ไหนเนี่ย
So now we've got bananas and papaya. Well, today didn't quite go to plan. The haze that covers the north of Thailand didn't burn off today, unlike previous days whereby around about midday you see some blue sky coming through. Today was very grey, so I called off the trip I had planned. I'll take you up in the air in a moment and show you the sky. It's pretty awful, and it's been like that all day today. It's been like that for weeks actually, but during the day sometimes it burns off, so never mind. I got a couple of missions sorted. I ended up in getting some fruit and also got my sausages. That was very important. There were some fascinating video makers in Thailand talking about expat life. Some of them are visitors, short term. They come along, enjoy the scene for a few months and then pop out of the country or maybe continue their tour around the globe. Others, they stay, and they stay longer term, and they participate in critiquing what goes on here in Chiang Mai, the pluses and the minuses, and it's interesting to watch and hear what they have to say. I want to give a shout out to a friend of mine on YouTube. His name's Ken, and he goes by the name of Bruno Unframed. I'll leave a link below. It's a very interesting channel he runs. He talks all about things related to expats living in Thailand, and he's quite a humorous guy. Thanks for joining me today. It's been fun for me to get out and about as always. Sad we didn't get to see some of the things I wanted to show you. We've been to the market, and I've been to a vegetarian shop and got some sausages. I was on the way to Hot to show you a water tower which has got some artwork nicely painted on the side by street artist Nap. Maybe we'll go there in the next couple of weeks if the weather improves. The forecast at the moment isn't looking good, but if there's some wind that blows this bad air away, we'll be able to get out and about. So keep watching this channel. If you've not subscribed already, please do. Hit the little bell, you'll be notified in your inbox that there's a new video released. Please leave a comment below, ask some questions, and be sure to check out the description. I'll leave links there to some of the things I've mentioned today, and don't forget to check out my friend Bruno Unframed. His channel is a delight to watch. Until next time, see you, bye bye.